Qualcomm has just unveiled the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and we already know which will be the first devices to incorporate it. Begin by giving details of new processor. What does the main bet have in artificial intelligence? According to figures from Qualcomm, it is 98% faster in executing neural networks and 40% more efficient in energy consumption within these tasks based on their own data. It is built on a 4nm process and comes with a Cortex-X4 core running at 3.3 GHz. That will be the most powerful core, but the curious thing in this case is that it comes with 5 other cores focused on performance that run up to 3.2 GHz. Finally, they left only 2 focused cores. Efficiency tasks requiring little energy. 2.3 GHz. According to reports, this processor is claimed to be 30% faster and 20% more efficient in general, while the GPU provides a 25% improvement in performance and the same level of enhanced efficiency. Gaming offers 1.5, 2x ray tracing. But as I told you, the main character of this processor will be AI, as it can execute models. An exceptional language spoken in the local area. So you do not need to connect to the internet, and they have demonstrated some examples of how, in just 1 second, it could effortlessly transform a paragraph of text into an image, since it is capable of executing the Stable Diffusion model without the need to establish an internet connection. This processor will also have the ability to remove objects from some videos, like what we currently see in photographs. Also, it will have night mode. Enhanced W/AI and AMP. It will also possess the capability to enlarge images in an extremely precise manner, and undoubtedly all of these functionalities will start to become apparent in high-end devices of the upcoming generation, even though the entirety of it will be attributed to the endeavors of Qualcomm and not specifically to it being an innovation of the manufacturing brands. And immediately after the announcement of this processor, the main ones were revealed. Chip debut by manufacturers expected. Intel, Asus, Honor, Meizu, Neo, Nubia, OnePlus, Oppo, Realme, Redmi, Red Magic, Sony, Vivo, Xiaomi, and AMP ZTE. Samsung is not included in this list because they will probably unveil the new Galaxy S24 series in January, and it is even more likely that it will be accompanied by an exclusive 4 Galaxy edition specifically designed for Samsung, as you can see for yourself. In this processor, a new technology called Snapdragon Simless has also been introduced, which is aimed at allowing devices with Snapdragon chips to coexist in a better way. In this manner, they are creating their own ecosystem, although not specifically with a brand, but simply by using a Snapdragon processor, they will be able to coexist well with the computer, the cell phone, headphones, and other devices around them. So starting from the next generation of devices, we could see a better coexistence also as part of each brand's ecosystem.